Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Solana video update. So Solana has been very strong, and Solana's meme coin, which is Bonk, has been even stronger, and all of the Solana family is quite interesting right now. Solana itself is quite surprising at the moment. So we have a technical target for Solana to go up to $102. So you're looking for one break that has already happened right over here. And we have 38 more minutes, if you look on the ticker on the 4-hour time frame, to close this 4-hour candlestick pattern. Now I do believe that there is a very good opportunity for you to trade and get like a 30% or 31% move with a stop loss down at $67.83. So if Solana does actually come down to 67.73, you have to be a little bit careful, but it doesn't really mean that if you do end up coming down to 67, it's not going to go up here, because the bigger picture is, if you look on the daily, right, the daily time frame shows that this is Solana's one big very rounded bottom right there. You broke above, you retested, and you are good to go to the technical target right over there. So basically, to invalidate 102, you need to go below the pattern itself, which is this line here. And that means if Solana comes down to $48, $102 is invalidated, which is a very big push down. Can it happen? You never know. But on a good universe, on a perfect universe, it should not happen, and things should be good to go all the way to the upside. Okay, now the daily does look like it's a little bit like this down here. You may see Solana just touching 74.95 momentarily, and then retest 74.95, and then push to the upside. So weekend is coming in. What we may see today on Friday is basically maybe close near the $81 region. Saturday and Sunday come down, and then Monday and Tuesdays spend some time, and then next week you finally make the push to the upside. That's just my own take. It may actually push today all of a sudden. Anytime it wants to push up, it can actually push up, but you do have a chance here. Okay, the chance is actually there, and you may want to seize the chance with a very good stop loss. Now I don't think I'm going to take 13% of a risk at the moment. I do have some few other trades going on the private as well, and I have given one free call, one free signal on my Discord group this time. It's a secret coin. I wish you were in the group, by the way. And that's it for this update on Solana. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.